Capricciosa. And the rough early lead is taken by Capricciosa by the rail. Maimpok on the outside. Is Capricciosa. Patero 7 in between horses. Maimpok, Lord of the Sun, and the Surgeon. And the mid-back stretch is Capricciosa and Patero 7 on the outside in second. And running in third by a length and a half is Maimpok, the Surgeon, and Lord of the Sun. Nearing the pattern, it is still Capricciosa by the rail. Patero 7 on the outside in second. And Maimpok remains in third by 3.5 lengths. The Surgeon, Lord of the Sun, moving up on the outside. Rounding the pattern, it is still Capricciosa by the rail. Patero 7 moving up once again on the outside and closing in third is Maimpok, the Surgeon on the inside, and Lord of the Sun on the outside. And the last bend for home is Capricciosa by the rail. Patero 7 in between horses, and Maimpok moving up on the further outside. At the top of the stretch, it's Capricciosa on the inside, in between horses. Patero 7, Maimpok on the further outside. Capricciosa, Patero 7, and Maimpok. It's Capricciosa by the rail. It's still Capricciosa and Maimpok on the further outside, and Patero 7. And finally, at the payoff line, it's Maimpok, Patero 7, the Surgeon, Capricciosa, Lord of the Sun.